This is Professor Meet Sachdev from Jksc classes. Friends, this video is very important for every student, yes, who wish to join company secretary course and choose CS as their career. Now friends, in this video, we are going to cover entire details of all the levels of this course. Yeah, let's go ahead friends. Now friends, after completing your junior college exams, what options do you have? So option number one is you can go only with the graduation courses. Option number two, you go with the graduation courses along with a professional course. You can see so many options are available like BCom, BAF, BMS, BBA, LLB. So many options are available, right? So you can either go with any one of the graduation courses, but another option, that is graduation course as well as a professional course. Now friends, what options do we have in professional course? So we have few well-known courses like CA, CS and CMA, right? But in this video, we are going to cover complete details about CS. Yes, Company Secretary course. Now friends, firstly, who is a CS? So friends, let me tell you, CS enjoys a senior position in any public or private organization. Yes, sir, senior position means? Friends, answer is, see, any business, like you can see there are so many companies like Reliance Industries, Tata Motors. Now see, all this big business, big giants or any small business, you all will agree with me, so many employees are working in this business units, correct? After that, there is something related to trademark, there is something related to labor laws. So many different laws are applicable on different companies. So friends, do you think all the companies, all the business units will have to follow the law? Obviously yes. So friends, they are going to consult the most reputed, reliable professional, that is company secretary. Yes. Now friends, in this, company secretary plays the roles of compliance officer in the company. Yes, you can say legal advisor for the company, right? Like for example, if you hire an employee, obviously various labor laws are applicable on the business unit. So CS makes sure that company follows all the laws applicable on such unit. Yes, any type of trademark registration, in fact, company incorporation, from the incorporation of a business unit till winding up procedure, entire legal compliance is done by a company secretary professional. Right friends? Now in companies, so many different activities are conducted, new projects are done, but each and every activity has to be followed with law. Yes or no friends? So friends, who is the person who is going to advise the company regarding various laws applicable? Answer is CS. Yes friends, this is a law-based profession, and believe me, law is a very interesting subject, right? Let's talk more about it. Now friends, whenever you join any course, directly we rush to colleges, right, for admission procedure, this, that, right? But friends, for CS, you have to register yourself with the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, right? The only institute who is going to provide you the qualification of CS. Now friends, the ICSI, yes, it's a recognized professional body in India to develop and regulate the profession of company secretaries. Who is going to conduct your exams for CS? ICSI. Who is going to provide you study material? ICSI. Who is going to provide you training? ICSI. Everything will be as per the rules of ICSI. Right friends? Let's talk more about it. Now friends, when you see a company secretary course, yes, you know, many people say that it's a secretary, it's secretary. No, it's not a secretary, it's company secretary. In fact, as per Companies Act 2013, you know friends, company secretary is a KMP, that is key managerial personnel. Yes, you can see the key managerial personnel on screen. You can see managing director, manager, CFO, that is chief financial officer, whole-time director, CEO, that is chief executive officer, and company secretary. Are you getting my point friends? So all these people, yes, they together called as KMP, and CS is one of them, right? The key player in the company in the legal department. Then friends, you will say that, sir, okay, fine, we will think about CS, but do we have any scope for it? So answer is yes. Friends, you can understand, I told you in the beginning, like CS looks after the compliance of the company, CS makes sure that the business units follows all the rules applicable on such business, right? So friends, in this case, you can see on screen, companies are mandatorily required to appoint whole-time company secretary. Yes, this is given in law. Companies Act 2013, yes, it says that there are companies where it is compulsorily requirement for appointment of a company secretary. Sir, why such rule is made? Obviously, friends, the government wants all the business units, companies to follow the compliance. Yes or no? Yes. So therefore, they need a professional for the same. And that professional is CS. So friends, which companies have to compulsorily appoint CS? Let's go. First, you can see listed companies, right? Yes, I hope you know, friends, what is a listed company? Companies whose securities are listed on stock exchange. So in that case, appointment of company secretary full-time CS is compulsory. If you talk about other companies like unlisted companies, so there also appointment of CS is compulsory, but only if the paid up share capital is 10 CR or more, right? And in fact, private companies also, yes. So friends, there are so many lakhs of private companies, public companies registered in India, right? You can see even private companies having the paid up share capital of 10 CR or more is required to have a full-time CS. Are you getting the point, friends? Yeah, so this is the proof for scope. You understand, more the compliance, yes, and more the requirement, more the demand for CS, you can see in market, right? Let's go further, friends. Now, what is the scope of CS? As I told you, CS is a KMP, right? Then CS conducts the secretarial audit of the company, right? Yes, company secretary checks whether company is following all the laws or not. So that checking process is a secretarial audit. Then friends, just like chartered accountant course, in CS also you have two options. Number one, you can go for employment. Number two, you can go for your own practice. Yes, and also friends, the annual returns of company are signed by company secretary. CS conducts the meetings of the company, right? Now we will say that, sir, what is there in conducting a meeting? I can do it. No, it's not that, friends. When we say CS is doing all this work, it should be in compliance with the legal requirement. Getting the point, friends? Like meetings, you can see the board meetings of the company. You must have heard about it, right? Board meetings, like director meetings. So there is a law for it. For that, companies have to follow section number 173, 174, 175, section 118, and also secretarial standard number 1. So meetings has to be conducted as per the compliance requirement. So it's not about conducting an ordinary meeting. It should meet the legal requirements. So all these things are taken care by CS, right? Now friends, when you talk about any course, right? Firstly, let me make this very clear. It's not about the course, it's about you. Yes, I'll prove it. You can see, friends, on screen, you can see there are two images. Left hand side, you can see empty clinic of doctor in practice. And right hand side, you can see patients are waiting just to fix an appointment. Yes, just to book a appointment. Are you getting the point, friends? Means you can see both the screens, both are doctors. But why there is such type of big discrimination? It's not a discrimination, there's a difference. Both are doctors. Both are doctors. So why in one image we can see there are no patients, and other side you can see such a long queue of patients? So friends, answer is your knowledge and expertise speaks. It's not about the course, it's about you, right? Similarly, you can apply this rule in every course. Yes, you can see, friends, the image of few top company secretaries of India. You can see Dev Bajpai sir, right? Executive Director, Company Secretary, HUL, right? On the other side, you can see K. Seturaman sir, yes, Group Company Secretary, Chief Compliance Officer, Reliance Industries Limited. Qualification, you can see FCS, ACA, ICSA, London. You can see more examples here. Yes, you can see Preeti Malhotra madam, right, Chairman Smart Bharat Group. Yes, then you can see Sanket sir, also legal advisor, ICICI Bank. Friends, all these people decided to do this course of CS such a long time back. Yes, so friends, why not today? Today, the compliance requirement is increasing like anything, and therefore demand of CS is also increasing, friends. Now, how to become a company secretary? What are the levels of company secretary? Let's go, friends. Now, friends, CS is divided into 3 levels. That is, first one you can see CSEET program. That is CS Executive Entrance Test. Second level you can see Executive program. And third you can see Professional program. Okay. Now, friends, what is this? Yeah, what is the eligibility to join this course? So, friends, you can join company secretary course after your 12th exam, right? And you can go for your CSEET preparation. Yes. After that, next level is executive program. So after completing your ET, next level goes with executive program, and finally last level, that is professional program. But friends, also the graduates, yes, the graduates can directly go for executive program by direct entry route. Yes, if they score aggregate 50% in the graduation, they can directly go for the executive level, and CSEET will be exempted for them. Okay, let's go more about it. Now see, friends, for all the students right now who are willing to go with the CS course, you can see there are 3 levels, and I have also made a small timeline here. You can see the first level, that is CSEET. So friends, right now what options do you have? You can go with the July 23 attempt. Yes, friends, in CSEET you have how many attempts? CSEET is having how many attempts of examination in a year? So there are 4 attempts. You can see May, then it is July, then it is November, and then it is January. So there are 4 attempts here. Okay. So friends, we will target first for July 23. You can see there, if you go with CSEET in July 23, obviously along with your graduation course, after that you can see your second level, that is CS Executive, that you can finish by June 24. And after that the final level will be your CS Professional, that is June 25. Okay. So friends, if you can see here, in almost less than 3 years time you can complete this course, and you can add that valuable prefix, yes, with your name. Right, friends? In fact, you can finish this before your graduation itself, because graduation is going to take the entire 3 years time. Before that, you will be completing this course, right? Yeah, so you have July option, and also you have November option. If you go for November 23, then your executive goes to December 24, and then final goes for, that is December 25, right? Yeah, but I suggest you to go with July 23 and don't waste your time, right? So after this 3 levels, what's next? Friends, after this 3 levels, student have to go with the internship program of 21 months, which is compulsory. Okay, and then yes, you can practice as a CS further. What is next, friends? Now you can see for the first level, that is CSEET, what is the syllabus? So friends, you can see there are 4 papers, right? Paper 1 is business communication, right? Paper number 2 is legal aptitude and logical reasoning. Third one is economic and business environment, and lastly you can see current affairs. Each paper, yes, will give you, like it is 50, 50, 50, 50. So total goes to 200 marks. Okay, friends. Now after this, what is the pattern of this exam? Friends, this examination will be totally in the MCQ based. Yes, that is multiple choice questions. Yes, you can give this exam online. Okay. Yes, it is compulsory. You can see here, it's computer based test. Okay, it's MCQ with no negative marking. Yeah, it's good news for you, right? So no negative marking, computer based online examination. Okay. Now since further, if you see what is the final score and what is the passing score for this examination. So as I told you, total marks are 200, and CSET passing criteria will be, you have to satisfy 2 conditions to clear this exam. That is, student have to score aggregate 50% marks. That means out of 200 you have to score 100 marks, and for each paper you have to score 40%. You can see here 50% aggregate, and in each paper you can see 50, 50, 50, 50. That means you have to score at least 20 marks in each paper. Okay, but if you just score 20, 20, 20, 20, it is going to give you only 80 marks. So that is not going to work. So it should be, total should be 50% of the total, that is, you have to score 100 marks out of 200. Aggregate 50% and each paper you have to score 40%. Okay, so that is the passing criteria. After that you jump to CS executive. Right friends, so as I told you about this earlier only, there are 4 attempts in a year. You can see the May attempt along with the registration dates, but yeah, I suggest you to go with July 1st. Okay, now see friends, what are the dates here? You can see the date of CSEET examination, date of registration. Please note down these dates, right? And you can accordingly go with the registration procedure also. We are going to help you with the registration process as well, right? So these are the dates for July. You can see registration will start from 16th of April and the last date is going to be 15th of June. So small suggestion, please don't register yourself for CSEET before 16th of April. Okay, yeah, in that case you will be getting which attempt? May attempt. Yes, when you go with the registration, you are not going to get any option to select any attempt. Okay, you just have to follow these dates. Yeah, your registration will be implied. Then friends, you can see the dates for November. Okay, yeah, the registration for November will start from 16th June and last date will be 15th of October. Okay, so these are the dates. Once again you can note down. Okay, now after this, what is next? Friends, this is the registration process. Please note down all the steps. We have given you step by step which link you have to go, how it is to be done, everything. Okay, and the registration fees is only 1500 rupees which you have to pay to ICSI. Okay, yes, this fees is going to be per student per appearance. Further, about Jksc classes, you know friends, we have face-to-face batches. Yes, Jksc classes having 76 branches across the nation, running face-to-face centers, live interactive lectures on Zoom as well. For July CSET, yeah, the average daily hours is going to be 5 hours lectures. Along with that, you are also going to get video library consisting of recorded lectures. Okay, then we have revision lectures as well. After your portion is over, we also conduct revision class for that. Friends, we also have live doubt solving sessions conducted separately on Zoom. Along with that, we also have helpline numbers for doubt solving, hard copy notes given by Jksc classes, last minute revision notes, so students don't have to make their notes separately, shortcut notes, summary notes, nothing, everything will be provided here, right? Then we have a practice book. Along with that, we also have test series along with 3 preliminary exams which is going to be conducted in the format of ICSI. So student can practice so much and prepare themselves for this first level of exam. I hope friends you have understood about this course, right? Yes, the batches are going to start for July 23. Batches are going to start from 5th of April. For July 23, 5th of April. Right friends? So thank you so much. I hope if any query, you can please visit the nearest center. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. All the best.